Let's make a party appetizer. I have a Christmas party on Friday that I'm invited to, and I want to make a little bit of an appetizer that is kind of on theme and cute. Of course, Christmas means red and green, so I have these French fry packets that are red and white, and then I will use my green vinyl. Now I organize it in my tray. I'll start cricketing the words that I want to type on. My mat is so dirty. I'm just lining this up with my mat to see how big I want the letters to be. This is like 4 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the maximum that I can make my letters. I want to write their family name, the Soluzios, and then Christmas party under it, and 2025, so I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to change my font. I'll change this font also. I'll also increase my letter spacing, and I'll make it a little smaller. Now I'll add the year, and I'll make it smaller. I'll change the font again. Okay. Now I'll make sure that my whole thing is less than 4 inches, like 3 or 3.5. And I need 15 of those. So I'm going to copy. First I'll attach it, and then I will copy it 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I always add a couple extra just in case I ruin it. So 1 and 2. You're supposed to use regular vinyl, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use iron-on vinyl. It's still going to work. Add the extras. I'm only using this because my mat doesn't stick well anymore. So you don't need it. I'll press make and we'll start feeding my machine. Make sure you flip the letters or it's going to print wrong because it's iron-on vinyl. Now I'll start peeling my letters. Now I'll start sticking them on my French fry packets, and I will put a parchment paper between them and the iron so it doesn't burn. Now I finish all the writings on them, I will put the French fries that I ordered in there. And this is our party appetizer.
Refuel.